Over 10,000 fans of Glen Hansard came to pay their respects at a public wake held for the Oscar-winning singer-songwriter. Some travelled from as far away as the US and Germany to file past the coffin in the chapel at the Royal Hospital in Kilmainham in Dublin.
Over 11,000 arrived at the Royal Hospital Kilmainham, coming from far and wide to share a moment.
I just had to pay my respects to Glen after all these years of following around and listening to his music.
He was so pure and honest, and his music really touched me in a way nothing ever touched me.
Always the loveliest man. Kind of changed the course of my life a few times.
I remember Glen from, busking days on Grafton Street with Mick Christopher, and he was always a great person for bringing people together.
The worst thing he ever did was break 3 strings in one song and hand me the guitar and want it back in one song's time.
Inside the Baroque Chapel, musicians played as Glen Hansard lay in a wicker casket, accompanied by 2 of his guitars. It was overpowering for some.
We're following him for the last 25 years, myself and my husband. And it was just lovely to come somewhere to acknowledge Glen.
I actually thought it was magnificent. The chapel was beautiful, the way it was all presented with the wildflowers and the church. It was just a perfect setting for a send-off for someone so amazing as Glen Hansard.
Mr. Hansard's funeral will take place at St. Patrick's Cathedral tomorrow. Thousands are again expected, as they say goodbye to a man everyone here idolised, and whose influence travelled far further than the pavements of Grafton Street. Gavin O'Callaghan, RTE News.